Welcome to Born Cottage. So the beautiful tiny house design with swimming pool you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 33 feet in meter 10 meter and the total length is 36 feet in meter 11 meter. In the front we have swimming pool area. You can see here the swimming pool, and on the left side we have benches. After that we will go inside, so we have sliding door and we will go inside, so we have living plus dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, TV unit on the front wall, and we have dining counter with 3 chairs and large size window for ventilation and light purpose. On the left side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and sliding door for rear entrance, and on the left side we have large size window for ventilation and light purpose. If we go inside, so we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And if we go on the right side, so we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And on the back side we have kitchen area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this kitchen. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.